Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time to participate POCSTARS webinar. I'm Nick Zhang. Today's topic is empowering mobile network operators. Means how POCSTARS helps operators scale push-to-talk over cellular and MCX services. Before today's topic, let's think about two questions. The first question is, what are the profit-making departments of telecom operators? Based on our experience, the profit-making departments are mobile subscriber service department, enterprise and family service department, and new business department. This includes cloud computing services, big data services, IoT services, POCS services, and so on. In the end, most of service of these departments are related to traffic data. Now, let's think about the second question. What is the profit model? In order to have continuous revenues, the best profit model should be operational SaaS. Then user can charge by daily, monthly, yearly, or even multiple years. As we all know, nowadays, competition is very fierce in all industries, and so are the telecom operators. That's to say, even telecom operators, they have critical challenges as well. So what are the challenges for telecom operators nowadays? As we can see here, the global mobile carpet and capital intensities are increasing every year from 2017 to 2025. And they are getting more and more these years. But the new mobile subscribers and annual growth rate is dropping down year by year. For example, average annual growth rate between 2013 to 2018 was 5%. But the one between 2018 to 2025 is dropping down to 1.9%. So the challenge is the rising carpet and uncertainties on the ROI and the growth speed of new mobile subscribers is slower and slower. And here is the report from Mobility Reports to focus year-on-year mobile data traffic growth rate from 2022 to 2029. As we can see here, the traffic data growth rate was very high in the past. It was up to 70% in 2022 in Southeast Asia and Oceania. But all the regions will drop down to 10% in 2029 as forecast. So the challenge is that the commercial mobile traffic data will be saturated 4 years later. So in such a challenging environment, what opportunities are there for mobile network operators? And how POCSTARS empowers mobile network operators to seize these opportunities? First of all, let's see what's the network construction worldwide right now. As we can see here, is the mobile service revenues worldwide report from PTToC research. Before 2012, we had 2G and 3G technology for voice only. But after that, 4G came and developed very fast to replace 2G and 3G. That means people enter a data era with 4G technology. The technology is continuously developed. That's why 5G came with higher speed and bigger bandwidth in 2020 to replace 2G, 3G, and even 4G. Now, 4G and 5G almost replaced 2G and 3G globally. Actually, POCSTARS also evolved with the development of 4G and 5G technology. So, what we can empower mobile network operators with the rapid development of 4G and 5G. For sure, we have the new business opportunities for mobile network operators. That is POC business, push-to-talk over cellular. As we can see here is the report and forecast from Persistence Research. The global market size of POC was $2.22 billion in 2019. It will rise up to $3.54 billion this year. And the historical growth between 2019 to 2024 was 8.1%. The global market size will up to $6.99 billion in 2032. And the compound annual growth rate is up to 9.7% as forecast between 2025 to 2032. That's to say, the push-to-talk over cellular business is growing faster and faster. But who will need POC services? Here are some typical users who will use POC services, such as public safety and security, municipal management, transportation and logistics, and so on. Public safety and security is the leading application segment, and transportation and logistics is the fast-growing application segment. As forecast from Persistence Research, the push-to-talk over cellular market will reach up to $3.54 billion this year, and North America as the leading region will occupy up to 35.2% of the market share. And the Asia Pacific region is the fast-growing region. That's to say, more and more users in Asia Pacific region would like to use POC or replace the existing systems to POC system. This is the market outlook globally. How is China market? As you know, there are 3 telecom operators in China: China Mobile, China Telecom, and China Unicom. What they are doing with push-to-talk over cellular business? China Mobile established their own POC platform JetCheck in 2018. After 7 years developed, there are more than 3 million POC subscribers now. China Telecom established their own POC platform serving in 2015. Now it has more than 2 million POC subscribers. And China Unicom established their own POC platform, WeChat, in 2017. There are more than 1 billion POC subscribers now. So, why telecom operators develop push-to-talk over cellular business? Because push-to-talk over cellular business can increase the high-value industry subscribers. It can offer more value-added services and improve subscribers' stickiness. In the end, it can bring new business growth with low CapEx and low OpEx to telecom operators. Now, we know POC is a good business for telecom operators. That's why all China telecom operators run their own POC platform. But what is POC? POC stands for Push-to-Talk over Cellular. It's a technology that allows instant voice and video communications over cellular networks. It supports private call and group call with 3G, 4G, 5G, or even Wi-Fi network. It provides voice services, video services, and data services. Compared with traditional walkie-talkie, POC has lots of advantages, such as no limitation coverage, multimedia service with video, and low CapEx without any extra infrastructure cost. So, who is POCSTARS? POCSTARS is a leading global provider of innovative mission-critical communication solutions and services. We are not only provide POC solution, but also provides MCX solution. Now we have more than 200 staffs. As we most focus on software platform development, more than 100 of the staff are R&D engineers. We have 3 R&D centers, one located in Shenzhen, a southern city in China. Another one located in Shijiazhuang City, which is close to China capital Beijing. The third one located in Xi'an City, which is dedicated for MCX development. As a software platform developed company, we have more than 112 patent certificates. So, what kind of platforms or solutions we can empower mobile network operators? We will offer the SaaS POC platform to telecom operators with standardized features to reduce their upfront investment. It is a cloud hosting platform with multi-tenant architecture. It supports flexible subscription models such as flat rate pricing, usage-based pricing, tiers pricing, user-based pricing, and so on. As we all know, telecom operators require very high reliable platform to guarantee their outstanding services. POCSTARS POC platform is carrier-grade architecture designed with microservice, and it adapts high availability, and cluster deployment to guarantee the reliability. Also, we deployed the load balancer to improve the server performance and enhance the scalability as well. POCSTARS provides an operational structure to mobile network operators. In this structure, operators have the highest permission to manage the whole platform, and operators need to develop the distributors, and the distributor develop their own dealers only. Dealers will develop their own sub-dealers, and then sub-dealers develop companies, means the direct customers. Of course, in these structures, dealers can develop their own direct customer as well. So, is there any telecom operators cooperate with POCSTARS before? Actually, we do have a successful case cooperate with telecom operator, China Mobile. As you know, China Mobile is the biggest telecom operator in China. POCSTARS delivered JetCheck platform to China Mobile in 2018. After 5 years development, JetCheck platform has more than 3 million active users. The platform serves more than 1,000 enterprises, and it has more than 50 project partners with more than 200 benchmark projects. Even though the POC business keeps growing in a few years, but it will be saturated one day. We need to think about this in advance. So, with the continuous evolution of carriers' network technology, 5G, even 6G, what kind of the evolution for POC next? Yes, the evolution of POC will be MCS, Mission Critical Services. Here's the standard timeline of MCX evolution. 3GPP defines MCX MCPTT from release 13 in March 2016. And it continues to evolve to enrich the functionalities such as MC video, MC data, IWF, and so on. POCSTARS started MCX development in 2024, which was based on release 18. POCSTARS will also be evolving the MCX system along with 3GPP evolution. After almost 2 years development, what we achieve of MCX now. Here's the POCSTARS MCX achievement. POCSTARS is one of the TCCI members, and this is the plug test report which we participated the 9th plug test in February this year. It shows POCSTARS did the interoperation with other vendors during the plug test event. POCSTARS passed most of the items and got the certificate. In the end of August this year, POCSTARS released MCPTT and part of MC video, also a part features of MC data. For more information about POCSTARS MCX, please feel free to contact us. In the end, in order to serve our partners and clients better, POCSTARS provides 7 times 24 hours technical support. Whenever you have questions or suggestions, you can reach us easily with WhatsApp or WeChat. POCSTARS provides the localization support with 14 languages on the platform. We have local staff in some countries as well. Besides of this, POCSTARS provides lots of technical support materials, such as technical documentations, videos, training courses, and so on. Okay, this is my talk piece today. Thank you for your time again. If you have any questions or suggestions about this topic, please feel free to share it in the chat box. Thank you.